Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that we are doing chapter 3, that is addition and subtraction, right? So in today's class we are going to start the self-practice 3H. So this will be your last self-practice student, okay? And from the next class we are going to start our new chapter, okay? So let us start our class without any delay. So student, here we have the first question from self-practice 3H. The question state that estimate the sum or difference. Okay, you have to estimate the sum or difference. Also find the actual sum or difference. You have to find the actual sum or difference in your notebook to see how reliable your estimates are. Estimate the sum or difference. Also find the actual sum or difference. So whenever you are finding the or estimating the sum or a difference, then first of all what you have to do is you have to convert, or you have to round off the given number, each number, okay, to its nearest tens, to its nearest hundreds, to its nearest thousand position, according to the digit or as per the number of digits in the number, okay. And then you have to add or you have to subtract whatever is given, okay. So what in first case, that is in number A, what we are going to do is we are going to convert this or round off into its nearest tens position. I am writing here the short form nearest 100. NH means nearest 100 position, sorry, tens position. It is tens, sorry. Because there is only 2 digits, so I cannot make it 100. How is that possible? No, it will take a long time. So 68, I can make this in 70 is the nearest tens form, and 72, its nearest tens is 70. So now you have to, what you have to do, I have estimated the sum here and I have estimated the difference here. Now I'm going to add it, okay. You have to do the sum. Now 8 plus 2 is 10, you know, 1 in hand. Now 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 plus 7 is 14. Isn't it? 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 in hand, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 14. So now you have to add this one also. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 7 plus 7 is 14. So you just see what they have asked us to do. You have to find the actual sum or difference in your notebook to see how reliable your estimates are. Our reliability are actual in this case. After the rounding off, rounding of the figure also, we got the same result, isn't it? So I hope you have understood this. So now let us proceed to the next question, that is number B. You have to round off this into the nearest. So over here, let us convert this or round off this in nearest 100 position, okay. So NH is nearest 100. So when you round off this figure into the nearest 100, 425, then you will get 400. Similarly, when you round up this figure, you will get 400 only, okay. So we have what we did, we estimated the difference here, and we estimated the sum here. Alright, so now add this both. 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 in hand. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, 1 in hand. 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8. Now 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So you can, in this condition, you can see the difference, right? The difference is 812 minus 800 is 812 minus 800 is 12. So you can find the difference of 12 in this condition, okay. I hope you have understood this. Proceeding forward, we have our next question, question number C. To convert, we have to round off this figure into nearest 100 position. Alright, it is not possible to convert in nearest 1000, so we will convert this in nearest 100. Alright, so it will be 9100. So next 5723, you have to convert this into nearest 100. Now you will get 5700, okay. Over here what I did, estimated the difference. Over here also I have estimated the difference, okay. So now We have to find the sum. 7 plus 3 is 10, 1 in hand. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Now 1 plus 7 is 8, and 9 plus 5 is 14, 14,850. Now estimated value 0, 0, 7, 1 plus 7, 8, 9 plus 5 is 14. So just see 50, the difference of 50 you can find. The difference of 50 you can find. When you subtract this, you'll get the difference of 50. So this is the actual value. Okay, this is the actual value after addition, and this is the estimated value after getting the round of figure. Okay, so this is the way to solve it. Okay, student. So let us proceed to question number D also. We are going to convert this into the nearest tens position. 73 will be converted into 70. 46 will be converted into 50. Alright, now you have to find the difference. 3 minus 6 is not possible, so it will become 13, because this is going to give 1 and this will become 6. 13 minus 6 is 7 here, and 6 minus 4 is 2. It is 27. Now over here it is 0. 7 plus 5 is 2. The difference of 7 you can find, right? 27 minus 20 is 7. So this is the actual value and this is the estimated value. Okay, so now we have found the actual sum or difference also. You have to find in your notebook. Okay, in your copy you have to do it, to see how reliable your estimates are. So what do you think, it is reliable or not? So you can in some cases you find the actual value, in some cases, but in many of the cases you will not find the same result. Okay, so you will do number E and F yourself. This will be a home assignment. Okay, estimate value and get the answer. It is easy only. Okay, moving on to the next question, we have question number 2. The question states that Suraj bought a jacket for rupees 752, alright, and a pair of shoes for rupees 824, and a pair of shoes for rupees 824. Now what you have to do, you have to estimate the cost he has to pay to the shopkeeper. So also find the actual cost. So student, so when you go to the market and when your parents buy something for you people, right? So in a market, when they buy suppose they are buying some toys for you, the cost is around 582, and if they buy something extra which cost around 600, so now if you have to estimate the value, what you'll do, you'll round off. No, you'll not actually calculate 585 plus 600. You'll just do 500 plus 6 is 1100, 11 plus 85, 1185. So we are going to do in such a manner, right? So on that condition, the estimate value, to estimate it actually helps. So this type of a sum helps on such condition. Okay, to estimate not the actual value, but we estimate, we are close to that value. Okay, so let us solve this. Suraj bought a jacket for rupees 752. Cost of jacket is rupees 752. But remember, you have to estimate the value also. So convert this into the nearest. We'll convert into nearest 100 also, right? So it is rupees 800, 700, 800. It is rupees 800, and the cost of pair of shoes is equal to rupees 824. Convert this into the nearest 100 also. It will also be rupees 800, right? So now what you have to do is estimate the cost he has to pay to the shopkeeper. Cost, actual cost. Okay, first actual cost he has to pay is equal to 752 plus 824. 2 plus 4 is 6, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 8 plus 7 is 15, right? Similarly, you have to find the actual estimate also. Estimated cost he has to pay is equal to 800 plus 800, it is 1600. So the estimated cost is 1600 and the actual cost is 1576. So what you are going to write now is estimated cost or sum is rupees 1600 and the actual sum or cost is rupees 1576. So this is the answer. They have asked us to estimate the cost and also to find the actual cost, right? So we have estimated the value, the cost, and the we have written the actual cost also. Okay. Proceeding forward, we have our next question, that is question number 3. It states that Mr. Singh owns a mobile phone shop. Okay, he has 54 mobile phones on display and 93 inside. Estimate how much mobile phones does he have in stock. So you will write like this: mobile phone on display is 54 actually, but if you estimate it will be 50 in rounding off into the nearest 10, right? So mobile phone inside his shop inside is equal to 93. So when you estimate its number into its nearest tens to convert into the nearest 10 mobile phone inside, then you will get 90, right? So you have to find estimate how many mobile phones does he have in stock. So estimate value of mobile phones in stock is equal to 50 plus 90 is equal to 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 5 is 14. So how many in total he has? Estimated value is 140 mobiles. Estimate value of mobile phones in stock is equal to 50 plus 90. If they have suppose asked us to find or calculate the actual value, then you could have plus this and you could have got the value 7 9. So the actual mobile phone he has in stock is actual mobile phone. Okay, this is the actual mobile phone he has in stock in his shop, but the estimated value, अनुमान किया गया value is 140. Okay, I hope you have understood. Let us proceed to the next question. Here we have the next question, question number 4, and this will be your last question from self-practice 3H. All right. So the question states that a worker at medical lab is studying blood samples. The first sample contained 2815 blood cells and the second one contained 1981 more than the first. 1981 more than the first. Okay, remember it is not the second, it is not the actual blood count of the second. It is more than this. More than, it is this much, 1981 more than the first. Okay, so about how many blood cells were contained in the second sample? About how many blood cells were contained in the second sample, that you have to find. About means estimate value. Okay, so you have to plus with this, then you will get the answer. Not actual, you will estimate the value. Okay, you will first of all plus this. Okay, this is the first. Second sample is when you are writing the second sample, you will plus with this, you will get the estimate value. All right, so this one you will try to do it yourself. This will be also your home assignment. Alright student, so this much for today. I hope you have understood all the questions. If you have any doubt, you can comment me. Okay, so this much for today. So see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy, and do not forget to practice. Okay, thank you everyone.